Hi YouTube, welcome to GTO Charts. Now if you study poker with GTO Wizard, stop what you're doing because this update is massive. GTO reports have landed and they're about to change the way you study forever. So what are GTO reports? Think of them like X-ray vision for your strategy. Instead of checking one spot at a time, you get a full breakdown of frequencies, EV tendencies across an entire situation in seconds. Now this used to take hours of digging through nodes. Now it's just one click. Want to see how your button strategy changes from 100 BB to 40 BB? Want to compare how you play versus 3 bets across every position? This is solver level insight, simplified. But it's not just reports. The whole UI got a facelift, filters are faster, navigation's smoother, and heat maps cleaner. Just feels good to study now, like actually enjoyable. And wait for this, you can even store your own sims in the cloud. No more digging through folders or losing data. And the Wizard AI, well, it's smarter. Better coaching tips, faster feedback, and more accuracy in how it spots your leaks. So how do you actually use this? So here's how. I run GTO reports on common trouble spots. For example, small blind defense or turn barrels. I compare how the solver reacts across positions. Then I turn that into simple heuristics I can actually apply in game. If you're not using this, you're literally studying the slow way. GTO reports make learning poker faster, clearer, and more effective. This is the future of poker study, and it's here. So get in there, fire up GTO Wizard, and crush. Alrighty, I'll be posting more breakdowns of how I use these tools. So if you want step-by-step guides, hand reviews, and real exploit strategies based on GTO reports, hit subscribe, and I'll see you at the tables.